Hello friends, hope you all are well. In this tutorial, you will learn about how to create HTML document and how to create HTML basic body. So let's get started. First of all, you need a text editor. I am using Visual Studio Code. You can choose an editor of your own choice. First time, you need to open or create a folder. For this, press on Control button and then click on K button and again click the O button. You can see the new pop-up window is opened. Here you can create or select the folder. So I am creating the folder. Right click here, then new, then the select folder icon. Rename the folder and select the folder. Select the new file or press the Ctrl plus N shortcut key. Here you can see a simple text file created, but we need to create a HTML file. For this, press the Ctrl plus N shortcut key and put the extension name .html. So our HTML document will be created. Here you can see the HTML document is created. In the HTML file, you need to type HTML like HTML and select the second line and enter. Here you can see the HTML simple body is created. We can check here H1. Here you can see and select the go live button or click select Ctrl plus F5 button. Here you can see the hello world